name's Carla, I lost 40 kilos, and here's a weight loss tip for you. Let me spread my wisdom on you guys. Stop trying to be that fucking girl. And you know what girl I'm talking about. Stop setting these unrealistic standards for yourself. You don't need to be that girl to get where you want to be. Because you'll fall off and then you'll eventually fail. I don't know why TikTok is so fucking horny over this, like, you know, image of like, that girl. I'm fucking sick and tired of seeing that girl on my fucking TikTok page. No one is that girl! No one! Like, be yourself for fuck's sake. You don't need to be Emily that wakes up at like 4 a.m. every morning to go complete like a 10-kilometer run and then go to Pilates later and then have like a fucking green smoothie every fucking morning. Literally, I still got to the point that I am right now, waking up at 2 p.m. No kale smoothies. Sorry, I like my food solid and hard, just like dick. And I did no 6 a.m. runs. Fuck that. Genuinely fuck that. I'm not trying to say be lazy. Just be yourself and make the changes where necessary. The character development will happen throughout the journey. And you're gonna be yourself by the end of it, and that is the best thing that you could ever ask for.